Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Roblox crashing the moment you join a game, randomly kicking you out mid play or closing itself without any warning? Here are the exact fixes that actually work. First, go to your settings, then tap General, then tap iPhone Stores. Check how much free space you have at the top. Roblox needs at least 2 gigabytes of free space to run properly. If your storage is nearly full, it will crash constantly. Free up space by tapping offload app on any apps that you've not used in a while. Then, after freeing storage, go to your app store and check if a Roblox update is available. Search for Roblox in the app store and tap update if there is an update button available. Outdated versions cause the most crashes. Tap on your profile picture at the top right, find Roblox and tap update. After updating, go back to your settings, scroll down to privacy and security, look for local network, and then make sure that Roblox is allowed. This is a newer setting that affects games connectivity. Finally, in the settings, go back, go to general, then scroll down to background app refresh and make sure that you have turned it on for Roblox as well, so that the app can stay properly connected while you play. Now all you gotta do is free up iPhone storage, update Roblox, allow local network access, turn on background app refresh. Roblox will stop crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more Roblox fixes.